Hey guys, welcome back to another video. So today we're going to be reviewing this hair from Luvme Hair and the beautiful package, and you get that information card in it, that mesh bag to keep your wig safe, wig caps, edge brush, and another information card and a clip. So this is a wig straight out the package. So I'm going to be reviewing their 8-inch blunt bob. Look at the hair. Listen, the hair itself is nice. You have the adjustable straps in the back, and you have the C part, which comes pre-bleach and pre-plucked. The airline is already pre-plucked as well, so you don't have to go in and do anything. Minimal work needed on this wig, guys. So straight out the pack, this is what the wig is looking like. So again, it's their 8-inch blunt cut silky bob. The hair itself is silky, it is soft. The lace is, you have HD lace. You can wear this wig glueless because of the adjustable straps in the back, but if you do decide to use glue, then the lace will be easy to melt. Again, it comes pre-plucked, pre-bleached, so you don't really have to do anything to the hair, and that is what it's looking like straight out the package. Straight out the pack, it looks like it's ready to wear. You just need to bump the hands a little with your flat iron, and then yeah, you'll be good to go. So to install the wig, I go ahead and cut the lace off. I do this in a zigzag motion just so that it's not a straight line across, right? Just for it to fit my hairline. As you know, your hairline don't go straight across, so you need to ensure that when you're cutting your lace, you cut it in a zigzag motion just so it falls better, it looks better, it blends better, it melts better, right? And we want our lace to look as natural as possible. Yes, it's a wig, but nobody should be able to tell. You see that? Look at that. I love the lace on this. I'm gonna go in and add a dark concealer to the lace, the little lace that's there. It's like a C part kind of wig, so it's not like a lace front or closure, it's like a C part, right? So your part is lace, and then at the front on the other side you have lace. So I'm putting the darker shade on the lace just so that it will blend perfectly with my skin tone, and I'm adding some Ebin Wonder Lace spray just to seal that makeup in, so that it doesn't come off on my head or my hair. So placing the wig back on my head, it's pretty easy to do. I didn't wait until the the spray dried. I just put it right back on my head, guys. Okay, so you want to wait until your spray dries, or you use a blow dryer just to dry the spray faster. The wig was easy to install. As you can see, it is snug on my head with no adhesive, nothing at all. So I'm gonna be wearing it glueless today. I'm not gonna be adding anything to it, just glueless. That's how I will be wearing it, pretty glueless today. So I did go and change the part just a little bit. I just moved the part up some, not much, just a little. Then I'm gonna be using my hot comb just to flatten the part that I part out, just to blend it in with the part before, just to sleek it down, make it flat. I don't want it to be bulky or budgy or anything like that. So that is what I am doing, guys. I think in this video my makeup look a little light. Like, is it just me? I think it looks a little light. I don't know what's going on. Maybe it's the exposure on my camera, I don't know, but it looks a little off. So I am just making sure everything is flat, well blended, and I'm gonna go in and I'm gonna cut some of the hair off so that I can get it to fall how I want it to fall, lay how I want it to lay. You know what I'm saying? Because I don't know, guys, I'm obsessed with this part. Every time I get a wig with that part, I move it up some. That's how I wear my natural hair anyway. Okay, I always tend to swoop my part. So this isn't baby hair. I'm just changing the part just to frame my face, to fit my face. You can go ahead and wear the wig straight out the box if you like that part, but I just kind of wanted to change it a little bit, just a little extra step, just for me. You don't have to do that, okay? I promise you, you don't have to do that. You can wear it straight out the package. So to get that part flat at the side, I'm going in with my Ebin Wonder Lace spray again. I'm gonna spray it down and I'm gonna let it dry. I'm gonna add a band around my head and I'm just gonna let it melt or dry just a little while I work on the other parts of the hair. So this is the elastic band that I'm putting around my head just to let the thing that I just lay flat, right? Flat. So for this part here, this is optional as well. I went in and I put some layers in the front just to frame my face again. I like a little layer, you know what I mean, in my short hair. One length, if it's not curly, it doesn't work for me. I like layers. I love layers. Layers make your hair a little bit more full, you know, looks full, feels full too. So yeah, so I'm gonna go in with my flat iron and I'm just gonna curl this section just to see what I can do. This part I struggled with. I haven't curled hair like that in forever, so it was a little difficult for me, but I think I did it. I think I made it work. Again, this here is from Luvme here, and it's their 8-inch blunt cut bob in a silky texture. This is glueless. You need no glue at all because you have all your adjustable straps in the back. This is simple, easy when you want to change your style up, just to switch it up. You just throw it on in the morning and go. Nice for work, everyday wig. Look how that hair moves, guys. Look how it moves. All the information to the hair will be in the description box. You can go ahead and check it out if you want to cop this one. She is a keeper. You need to get her. You will not regret it. It's just so easy to put on and it looks so gorgeous and beautiful, guys. It's fluffy, it shakes, it bunks. Stiff wear like this isn't stiff at all. Okay, so guys, that's gonna be it for this video. Don't forget to like, comment, share, subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Don't forget to be the most authentic you. Keep staying queen. Peace. Bye.